How to share Instagram question responses to your story. First, open Instagram and tap Your Story to view the story where you added the question sticker. Make sure the story is still active within the 24-hour time limit. While viewing the story, swipe up to open the Story Insights page. Under the Responses section, you'll see all the replies people have sent to your question. Tap the response you'd like to share and select Share Response. Instagram will create a new story with that response displayed as a sticker. The person's identity will remain hidden, so only the response will be visible. Then answer the question. Now you can customize your story by adding a photo, background, text, stickers, GIFs, or music if you'd like. Once everything looks good, tap Your Story or Close Friends to publish it. That's how you can share Instagram question responses to your story. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more Instagram tips and step-by-step tutorials. Thanks for watching.